What's up, you guys? I'm sure you guys are probably wondering, how did I get my hair like this, considering the last time I seen you guys I had in some blonde braids. I'm going to show you in a second, but I wanted to let you guys know that I use Texture ID styling cream and these Flexi rods to achieve this hairstyle. But let's get into the video.
Like all of my gang, even when we got some change, we can't change. Remain humble, yeah, remain the same.
Before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know that this hairstyle took about an hour to install. I did wash my hair with shampoo first and deep condition it prior to doing this hairstyle. So this is on damp hair. I'm just using a spray bottle to keep it damp. Next, I'm gonna section off the part of hair that I wanna put into my Flexi rod and clip up the next section that I'm not gonna be using at the moment. If you haven't already at this point, you want to ensure that the section that you pulled out is thoroughly detangled. Next step in this process is to grab your styling product. So my styling product of choice today is Texture ID styling cream. I chose this product because it's gonna provide some hold, so it's gonna let my curls last, but it'll also allow my curls to be flowy. And you guys know us ladies like our hair to be flowy. The next step is to grab your Flexi rod and insert it right at the root of your section. So you're gonna take the hair and wrap it firmly around the rod. At this point, a couple things you would like to ensure is that the hair is smooth when you're wrapping it and that you're going tightly around the rod. This way you get a nice sleek curl as your finished look. To ensure that the hair doesn't unravel, I like to fold the end of the rod upwards. And I also fold the rod at the roots. This way the roots are nice and smooth as well. So in order to achieve this hairstyle, you have to do this process to your entire head. And I'm gonna show you guys one more time here on this last section. And this is the last section. So add some water, add our product. You want to make sure that you work it all the way into the hair. After you've done that, you're going to grab your Flexi rod and put it at the roots of your hair. And then twist your hair around the rod. You want to make sure when you're twisting that the hair is nice and smooth. Just go down until you reach the ends. And then when you do reach the ends, you're going to seal it by folding the rod upwards. You also want to make sure that the roots are nice and tight. So what I like to do is twist the roots a couple times just to get a twist going on over there. And then make sure it's rolled all the way. And secure the root by folding it. This is definitely not the most comfortable hairstyle. You made it this far in the video, you might as well like it now. I'm gonna show you guys the final results tomorrow, which will be in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, it's the next morning and I'm gonna take down my Flexi rods. I have some castor oil here. It's the first oil I've seen, so that's what I'm going to use to take down my hair. Just a little bit though. We don't want the hair to be too weighed down, but by using oil to take down your hair, you will eliminate frizz. So you just want it on your hands, really. And we're going to take it down. And the purpose with the oil, the real truth is, if you don't have oil or something on your hand, you're actually taking the oil out of your hair. So it's either you're putting oil into it or you're taking oil out. And this is the first one, but let's continue and take these bad boys out. I'm gonna take them out first and then go back around and separate them. By the way, guys, as I said, I left this on overnight and my sleep was quite uncomfortable. Let all you guys know that for future references if you're trying this out overnight. But definitely, if you don't want to be sitting under a hooded dryer for a couple hours to ensure that they're dry, you want to leave them in overnight. But girl, the sleep was not it. The sleep was not it. This is how it looks. Definitely crazy before you separate them. But you can tell that the curls are really nice. Get some more oil on my hands and get to separating. You just want to pull the hair and see if there's anywhere that it naturally separates. By doing that, you are going to eliminate how much frizz you get. Just separate some on this side.
A few moments later.
And that's it, you guys. Remember, if you like this video, to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more content just like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.